Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in my garden and I've been seeing some cucumber beetles. So it's time to get out your traps. Now in the past I've shared with you the VivaGrow VivaTrap that I purchased from Amazon. I love that trap. I have used them for the past few years. Again, I shared a video on that, how easy it is to put up to use. Super simple. It pretty much has the yellow sticky trap, the cucumber beetle lure, and a little tie so you can tie it wherever you want it. And so I like to put mine on a shepherd's hook in kind of the problem area of your garden. Here I have some zucchini squash, some honey nut squash, and yellow squash growing in this container. And close by I have some cucumbers growing down here in this container. And so I just put it right in the middle. And this is the extra large yellow sticky trap from VivaGrow. I did not know they even made these, so pretty much it's a larger version of the one that I've been using for the past several years. Now these smaller ones are fantastic. I was going to order more of these this year, but the company actually reached out to me, sent me a package. Let me show you what I got. So this package is from VivaGrow. They actually messaged me on Instagram after coming across my video reviewing their trap that I did here on YouTube back in 2020. And they just wanted to thank me, they said, personally for putting together the video, putting so much effort into explaining how and when to use their product. And they mentioned that they would send out a package with a few of their products. And a couple of the cucumber beetle traps that I love and use is in here. They attract both the spotted and striped cucumber beetle, and so these just work fantastic. This will be the third year that I've used them, and you know, I've actually shared with you also, guys, making your own cucumber beetle traps, and those do work. They actually attracted a lot of Japanese beetles as well, but you know what, they do require a little bit of maintenance. You know, if it comes a huge rain, you do have to change out the water in the bowls and the dish soap. And so these type of cucumber beetle traps, you just hang them on a shepherd's hook and then just let them be. And when they get all full of the cucumber beetles and insects, whatever, just throw them out and then hang up a new one. So easy to use. So am I still going to use my homemade traps as well? Absolutely. I think there's nothing wrong with having more than one way to, keep the population down on the cucumber beetles. So it looks like they also have in here some more of these cucumber beetle lures, and I can pair them if I want with these extra large yellow sticky traps. So they have in here a pack of 10 of these VivaTrap XL yellow wet glue sticky traps. So it looks like an extra larger version of the traps that I'm used to, and according to the diagram, it looks like you put them together and use them the exact same way. Now if you want to just hang them up without using the lure, it looks like you can catch things like, flying insects like whiteflies, thrips, fungus gnats, aphids, flies, and more. So, if you're having a problem with flying insects, you can use these to kind of cut down on that problem. And so I'm really excited to, use these extra large sticky traps out in the garden and see how well they work getting rid of the cucumber beetles. And then next they included a couple of packs of these honey bee magnets. So how cute are these? The packaging is super cute. And so these are supposed to attract honeybees, those pollinators, to your garden to increase your, yields of fruits and vegetables or whatever you have growing in your garden. And so I do have some pollination issues, so I wanted to share those in a separate video. I wanted to put one of these in the garden and see how well it works. So I'm really excited to share that with you. So stay tuned for that video. And guys, all of these products I'm showing you now, I will have links in the video description below if you want to check them out. So again, I put up the extra large cucumber beetle trap here to try out, and if it works anything like these that I use every year, then it's going to be awesome. So I'm really excited to try these out. And guys, if you don't want to use this little twist tie, you can use something like a cable tie, zip tie. I've used those in the past here where it's windy. You know, you don't want your trap breaking off and flying away, and so those little ties are a little stronger, so I have switched those out in the past. So guys, if you have cucumber beetle problems, give these traps a try. Again, I'll have links down in the video description below. And thanks so much, VivaGrow, for sending out some of your products. That was really nice of you. And I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more of my content, you can check that out now. And I'll see you later. Bye.